What if I told you that one simple food, something you already have in your kitchen, could completely transform your digestion, boost your energy, and protect your gut from disease? Yes, I'm talking about yogurt. But not just any yogurt, the right kind, eaten at the right time, especially in the morning. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we talk about natural ways to heal your body, protect your health, and feel amazing every single day. Today's topic is yogurt in the morning and its great relationship with your stomach. If you often wake up with bloating, acidity, or discomfort after breakfast, this video could be a game changer for you. Because yogurt, when used correctly, can reset your digestive system, balance your gut bacteria, and even strengthen your immune system. Let's start with something simple. Why does your stomach love yogurt so much? Yogurt is a natural source of probiotics, which are live friendly bacteria that keep your gut healthy. Think of your stomach as a garden. If you plant good seeds, the garden grows beautifully. But if harmful weeds take over, it becomes unhealthy. Yogurt helps plant those good seeds, the beneficial bacteria that help you digest food better, absorb nutrients, and keep away harmful microbes. When you eat yogurt in the morning, after waking up, your digestive system is fresh and ready to receive nutrients. Yogurt coats your stomach lining, reduces acidity, and prepares your gut for the rest of the day. Studies show that probiotics in yogurt can reduce symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome (IBS), improve digestion, and even strengthen your immune system because around 70% of your immune cells live in your gut.
Timing is everything.
Many people make the mistake of eating yogurt at night or right after a heavy meal and then say it doesn't feel good. But here's the secret. Morning time is the best time to eat yogurt. Why? Because your body's metabolism is waking up. Your stomach acid is balanced, and your gut is ready to digest and absorb nutrients efficiently. Eating yogurt in the morning gives your body a gentle cooling start. It calms your digestive system and helps balance your pH levels, especially if you often suffer from acidity or gas problems. Pro tip: eat yogurt either plain or with a few natural additions like honey, chia seeds, or a few fresh fruits like papaya or banana. Avoid mixing it with spicy or oily food, because that can disturb its cooling and healing properties. Your gut health is the foundation of your entire body's health. When your gut is healthy, your skin glows, your mind feels calm, and your immunity gets stronger. When it's unhealthy, you feel tired, anxious, and inflamed. Like the live bacteria in yogurt like lactobacillus acidophilus and bifidobacterium help restore balance in your gut microbiome. They fight off harmful bacteria, prevent constipation, and reduce bloating. Yogurt also contains calcium, vitamin B12, and protein, which support your muscles and bones while keeping your digestive enzymes active. And for people who experience acidity, yogurt's cool and soothing texture actually neutralizes stomach acid, providing natural relief. It's like a soft blanket for your stomach, calming, protective, and deeply healing. Let me share some simple ways to enjoy yogurt in the morning. 1. Plain yogurt with honey. Take one small bowl of fresh yogurt, add 1 teaspoon of raw honey, and eat it 30 minutes after waking up. Gives it boosts energy and supports your gut bacteria. 2. Yogurt with banana and chia seeds. Great for breakfast. It keeps you full, helps bowel movement, and balances gut flora. 3. Yogurt smoothie. Blend yogurt with papaya, a pinch of cinnamon, and water. This combination cleanses your stomach and supports digestion naturally. 4. Yogurt with oats. A healthy, protein-rich start to your day. Add a few soaked oats, mix them with yogurt, and top with fruit. Remember, avoid flavored or sweetened yogurts. They're full of artificial sugar that kills good bacteria. Always go for plain, unsweetened, or homemade yogurt. Let's talk about something deeper. Your relationship with your stomach. We often forget that our stomach is not just an organ, it's our body. It's a second brain. It controls how we feel, how we think, even how we sleep. When your stomach is happy, you are happy. Think about it. When your digestion is poor, your mood drops, you feel heavy, and you lose motivation. But when your gut is calm and clean, your mind feels clear, your skin glows, and your energy rises. So every spoon of yogurt in the morning is not just food, it's self-care. It's a daily act of kindness to your body. You're telling your stomach, I care about you, want you to heal. And that feeling, that respect for your own body, is the real foundation of health. If you want to heal your digestion naturally, start small. Don't wait for big changes. Start with one simple habit: a cup of fresh yogurt every morning. Do this for 7 days, just 1 week, and notice the difference. Your bloating will reduce. Your energy will rise. Your mood will improve. Your stomach will finally feel peaceful. That's the power of natural healing. That's the power of yogurt. So, from tomorrow morning, before you reach for coffee, before you eat anything heavy, take a moment. Grab a small bowl of yogurt. Eat it slowly. Feel its coolness. Feel your body thank you. Small daily actions create lifelong health. If you respect your stomach, it will protect you for life. Remember, health is not built in hospitals or with expensive medicine. It starts right at your breakfast table with the choices you make every single morning. So choose wisely. Choose naturally. Choose yogurt and choose life. Thank you for watching. If this video inspired you, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with someone who struggles with digestion, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural health wisdom every week. Stay healthy, stay happy, and take care of your amazing body because it truly deserves your love.